Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to demonstrate a beautiful activity which you can use in your teletherapy sessions. It is feeding the monkey activity. Each time the child produces a correct response, we will be feeding the monkey. I am sure that all children will be very excited to see the monkey being fed. I have selected a simple naming task to demonstrate this activity, but you can use this activity with any of your goals. First, I will demonstrate the activity for you. Then I will show you how to set up your green screen to do this activity. Hi, good morning. How are you? Do you know who is here with me? This is my friend George, Curious George. So I came to this faraway island to visit him. He's such a close friend of mine. Okay, so we were talking and he felt really hungry. So I was feeding him his favorite food. Do you know what his favorite food is? Yes, you're right, bananas. So I was feeding him bananas. Okay, so would you like to join us? Yes? Okay, are you sure? Okay. So, do you know what George was telling? He was telling, like, on the back of these banana cards, I have something printed on. So, he was telling, like, only if you can name it correctly, he will eat the bananas. Okay? So, if he cannot name it correctly, he will not be eating the banana. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. This is your first word. Balloons, you're right. So we are going to feed George with the bananas. Okay, George, open your mouth. Yes, he ate bananas. Now this. You're right. George, one more banana for you. Open your mouth. Yes. Now this. Very good. So, third banana for you, George. And you have the last one. You're right, baby. Very good. You know, George is very happy now. This is my green screen which I have pasted on my wall, and for today's activity I have an extra fitting which is this self-adhesive green color foam sheet. I have pasted this foam sheet on my green screen in such a way that it comes in the mouth position of the monkey. So each time when I feed the monkey, I am putting the cards inside this foam sheet. But I have done a small mistake in this. The width of this foam sheet is less. So each time when I put the cards inside through this area, you can see it is going down through this. So when I put the card inside, it goes like this. So when you make something like this, either you can cover this area or you can use a green color envelope or something like that. Now you can see my green screen behind me, and first I'll upload my desired virtual backgrounds in Zoom by clicking this button. So I have already uploaded my desired virtual backgrounds for this session, and I keep this window open throughout my session, and in between the session I switch between the virtual backgrounds. So the client will only see this window, this screen, and this particular window will be visible to me only. So this is how you can do it. hope you all liked the activity. So based on your child's interest, you can select any other animals instead of the monkey. And if you use an animal with a bigger mouth like a shark or a dinosaur, it will be easier for you to position your form sheet. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe for more.